What are you doing? What are you doing?
Being very regal.
Regal? For Christ's sake, get it. Come on, get back over here and start doing what we're doing this week.
Honda CB500, I found something wrong with the swing arm. We've got to address this situation before it goes off. So it's the last thing to go.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Last bit before it all goes off.
It goes. Yeah.
Right. What's happening?
Well, we have these things called bobbins.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
They bolt into there.
And what do they do?
They bolt into there, and then when you get your paddock stand, the paddock stand clips into it, and you push it down with your foot, and it lifts the back of the bike up. So there's a hook that hooks onto that, and then you put your foot down on the back of the paddock stand, and it lifts the bike up onto the paddock stand, so it's off the ground.
Right.
But what they've done, whoever's done this, has bought galvanised, or zinc-plated, sort of like nuts that you buy for, I don't know what you call it really, just threaded rod. And sort of, well, they ain't really even welded. I mean, my welding's bad, but it ain't as bad as that. And the trouble is, when you powder coat it, the powder coat won't stick to the zinc.
Oh.
So what I've done, I've bought some threaded stainless steel doodahs, look.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to cut them off and then weld them onto there like that.
Right.
So then the powder coat will stick to it, because apparently powder coat sticks exceptionally well to stainless steel. A bit like shit to a blanket.
Very nicely put.
Yeah. So that's it really. So I've got to cut them off, grind all that down, and then weld them on.
Right, you can do that tonight?
Yeah.
Hokey pokey. Right, what's first then? What you just going to get...
You nearly said what's next.
I know.
You didn't want me to say.
I know.
They sell jeans, shirts, ties,
that old
socks.
jokes. Yeah, that old joke, yeah. Right, where are you then? Where do you want me?
Oh, if you go out that side door, leave the camera there, go out the side door.
Yeah. Have we got any abcam? For anything you've been... Oh,
No.
Right, is that right?
No.
Oh, well, never mind.
So you're going to stick with me, you have to stick with me all night tonight.
All right.
Yeah, so I'm just going to cut them off and then we'll be away.
Right, hokey pokey.
Yeah.
Right.
So,
safety glasses.
where are these safety glasses? Don't know quite what's going to happen there. I'm going to make a load of noise. So, look, another safety tip, look. Wearing a hoodie, Minis and Motorbikes hoodie. Look how dangerous that is, look.
I know.
Tuck your laces in. Yeah, I can't weld, but I think my welding's better than that.
Like, he's pretty ropey, isn't
Pretty ropey, but now that's a kiss of death.
Do you know what? That looks like they've sprayed over Rice Krispies, doesn't it?
No, it looks like pigeon shit. Yeah, we've gone past 30 seconds. I can say the F-bomb if I want.
Well, you can.
Can't I?
You can if you want to start like...
Oh.
Tutti frutti.
You're not making guitars, you know.
Right, I just cut that, but I was testing it while you weren't filming in it to see how much I've got. And the weld hadn't got it at all, really, to be fair.
So it just popped off.
But what I will do, before we get too carried away, is measure how far back from that swing arm it's got to be. Get me blood?
I do. Otherwise you won't know where to stick it, will you?
9.5 centimetres.
Right.
Or 95 millimetres. Right?
Yep.
Let's get the other one off. Yeah, they weren't like, oh, it's because it's got that zinc coating on it. Well, don't stick to it. And I bet it was never cleaned off.
No.
So.
Accident waiting to happen.
Yeah. Well, no, but yeah. Yeah, but no, but yeah, but no, but yeah, but no, but yeah, but no, you know. Is it Vicky Patterson?
It was. It was. So all off, what, you just got to clean that up
just
now,
got to clean that all off now. And then we've got to weld that.
Oh, and then weld
them onto it.
Okay.
But they weren't square, but I've got a way of doing it, I think, by using a set square, holding it on, getting a tack like that. Mm-hmm. Getting a tack like that, and that should be square to the frame then. or that swing arm. I know it don't really matter, but and then just getting a tack in there and then running a beaded weld down each side.
Right.
Bob's your uncle, your aunt.
Okay. Right.
So I started off, obviously ground it down with a grinder, which is sort of...
Yeah. Talk us through that. Talk us through that
I
now.
took as much
So
off as that as I could with that.
well, what have you got on that grinder?
It's
Well,
just a cutting disc, because some numpty left his pad that you put the sanding discs on the job that I'm on. So I got that down to that as far as I could.
Right.
Then went over to the old
Yeah.
die grinder with a little pad holder in it.
Right. Little pad.
So that bolts into that, and then
Yeah.
these pads just screw into it.
Right.
So I started off with a 60 grit,
Yeah.
then went down to the 120,
Yeah.
and once I got to that I then went up to the proper sander, went to 240, then 400, then
Oh, I
600.
thought you used this thing over here at some point.
Oh
as
yeah,
well.
but that's just that's just
That's what. You sort of did that in between the.
yeah, it didn't really do nothing.
Oh, I thought it looked quite good.
Did
Yeah,
you?
Okay.
Oh. But that's to strip paint really. That's what that's for.
Oh.
That's for stripping paint.
Right.
So yeah, so that's that then.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it looked like that.
Yeah.
Where are we? There we go. It
Yeah.
looked like a piece of
yeah.
shit.
Do.
And that looks much nicer,
Yeah.
doesn't it? And now you're gonna.
There's still a couple of pits in it look, from where it was welded on before. So really, that wants a bit of weld into that and then sanding down again.
Are you gonna do that?
I don't know.
Well, it's up to you. It's your call, isn't it? I mean, are you just being over fussy? I know what you like.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
You're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we're all right now. Look.
All the pitting's gone.
Yeah, well, there's a tiny little mark there, but that's
Yeah,
where
you've done it with the welding.
that's where
Done
the
it with
things.
the welding. Now,
things go.
are you going to tell everybody at home why we didn't show you doing the welding to get rid of those pits?
Yeah.
What happened?
Caught the bench light because where I cleaned it down with the thinners, the body wipe, it went.
Yeah,
It wasn't bad. It wasn't like a.
it wasn't a towering inferno.
It was just-
but it was just. There was a moment of brown trousers, wasn't there?
No.
No, well, you was all under control, were you? Yeah, of
Yeah.
course you were. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's just show me your eyebrows again. Yeah, yeah. They are there. Yeah. Shame I didn't get it on camera, but there you go. Never mind. Right, where are we?
Yeah,
Where are we?
here we are.
Now you're going to weld this thing on.
Yeah. So we want 9.5, don't we?
95 mil. Yeah.
It's about there. Let's put my glasses on really, don't I?
So you can see.
Yeah. Here we go. So what I was going to do is get that, hold that on there like that, and that should get that square to that swing arm then, shouldn't it? See what I mean?
Right. So that mark you made though, is that the bottom of the thing or the
Here, look.
there? It's like that.
Like that.
All right. So how are you going to hold that, and tack weld it?
Well, carefully.
Oh. Right.
Right, let's get that there then. Now, how do I... Oh, I don't...
I don't know how you're going to do
No,
this,
I
you know,
don't.
on your own.
No.
Can't you clamp it?
Well,
Can't you Ned clamp it?
no, you can't really, can you? I'll see if I can just give it a quick blast.
What about?
What?
No, before you blast it. What about? Can't you like glue it on?
No.
No, I mean glue it on and then tack it. Just glue it to hold it in place.
No. You say some stupid things.
I don't see why you can't do that. A bit of blue tack or something like that. A bit of chewing gum.
Look away. It's got it. It's got it. Right, just tack that on there and then I'll just plop a load of Take me hat off, Mark.
What, we won't hear you now, will we? That works a treat then, doesn't it? Yeah, that works a treat. I prefer that.
There we go.
Well, we can't hear you.
Okay, that's not too bad, is it? There is a little dinky there that I think I've probably got to sort out, but I'm quite happy with that.
Lovely job.
For my worlds.
Well, you don't really
Looks
like
certainly better than the other one, didn't it?
Well, it did, because the other one looked like it had a peanut stuck on there, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
Right
It's
then.
all right. So you're happy with that then?
Yeah.
So,
Just got to do the other side and then Bob's your
which
uncle.
we'll leave you to that then.
Yeah.
We'll leave you to that. All
Yeah.
right. And that just gets sent off with all the rest of the
Yeah,
stuff.
and then powder coat it in, because it wouldn't powder coat to the... I've knocked them across the floor now, I don't know where they are now. We've had all sorts of fires going off it.
It's a bit smoky in here, isn't it? Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah, caught the bloody thing in it, and then it caught the bloody paper a lot. That was... Anyway.
Yeah. A lot of things cut out
I
tonight.
like living on the edge.
A lot of things cut out tonight. Right, now, anyway.
Yes.
Anyway.
So we'll leave that then, shall we?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me turn the welder off,
All right.
and then, yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. I'm pleased with that weld. That's a proper weld, that.
Right, I tell you what, I didn't realise you were having a fry up with some chips.
Frying tonight!
I'll have some
Do you want
chips.
rocking with that?
I'll have
Or
some
do you
chips.
want cod or do you want rock on that?
God all rock. What are you doing now? What's this all
I've
about?
bought some rust converter. Instead of the Evaporust, whatever it's called, I bought the cheaper stuff, which is supposed to be as good, if not better. So I don't know. I'm just giving it a go. I don't know if it's going to do anything or not. But these adjusters go on the back of that swing arm.
Right.
So
Have a look at them.
I've just stuck one in there, and it's been in there for about half hour on gas mark 6 for 20 minutes, and then gas mark 6. So I put it in there for 80, so for 80 degrees, and it's been in there, and that's been oscillating as well.
Oh, right.
So I'm just going to take it out and see what it comes
Right.
up like. There's going to be a lot of steam.
Oh, yeah, go on.
Ready?
And we like a bit of stir. Hey, look at that. Look. Hey. Hey.
So I'll turn it off and I'll take it out and see what's come up like. I've got a little wire brush on it, so just
Right.
turn that off.
And that's just that rust stuff in there bubbling away.
Yeah. Just sort of want to just whether it'd do anything really.
Right.
Hang on, it's still oscillating. Turn it off.
Got all the kit in there. Got all the kit.
Red to dare.
Right. I suppose you're not meant
See,
to
look,
be
it's
breathing
bubbling.
that steam in, are you?
No, but I don't care tonight. I've had fires and all sorts, haven't we? So we caught the dog a light. I'm not actually breathing in when I'm looking at it, but it's still bubbling away. It's still bubbling away on that aluminium.
Oh,
I don't know if you'll be able to see it.
Oh, I don't want to drop the camera in there, you see.
No.
Arse.
Arse. Got to try and get the bloody thing out now. haven't I?
Got any
That's
tongs?
80 degrees tongs. Peak tong. It's all gone peak tong tonight, isn't it? So it's still bubbling away, look, on that aluminium. I think that's done something, you know.
How long's it been in there?
Half hour.
Half hour.
80 degrees. Oh, it's strong. Right, let me get something to wipe that down with. And then we'll see what that's come up like. We'll do a before, after, and then I'll do a wire brush on it.
Is it hot?
Yeah. Let me give that a bit of a... Don't know what it's done.
What was it? What was it actually? What were you trying to achieve here then?
Just
Sorry.
clean it up, really. Get the rust off of it and clean it up.
So why couldn't you just like buffed it up with something then?
I didn't really want to do that. I didn't want to take any of the zinc off of it or anything like that. I was just playing.
Oh, I'm with you.
Just playing.
See what the results were.
Yeah, but look.
I'll come round. Hang on. Let me have a wander round. So the one on the right
Yeah.
is what. So it's done quite a bit then,
Yeah.
isn't it?
As to that aluminium, look, it's plenty, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
And it has converted it. I think. I just need. I think that sort of green is the zinc coating, because I think there's copper in zinc coating, isn't there? It's not just zinc. It's copper in it as well. And it must be the copper that blue, is it?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know nothing about it, mate.
All I'll do is I'll get one of these thingy pads, and I'll just go onto the
Thingy
metal.
pads?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to give it a bit of a.
Give it a bit of a zhuzh.
Give it a zhuzh up.
Yeah, give it a zhuzh up.
Right.
I don't know which is the coarser pad actually. Try that red one. Yeah, I can't remember which is the harder pad, but I'm going to go. I think the red one's the harder one.
So it's a bit like a sort of like a little round mini sort of Scotch pad.
Yeah,
sort of
Scotch pad. It's a bit like that, really.
Yeah.
Just give it a zhuzh, just see.
Mind your fingers.
Yeah. Bloody hell.
What? What?
Oh, just took that rust off. It was coat. Look, like that. Look.
I'm trying to focus in on it.
I don't know if it's the soak in the bath that's done it or it's that pad that's done it. But
that does look a lot different.
Doesn't it?
It does look a lot different. You keep buffing then. You keep buffing. I've heard stories about you buffing.
Yeah. Buff quite a lot. I used to be very buff, you know.
Yeah.
Let's clean it up, but I'll get them to vapor blast them anyway.
Yeah.
Because I've got to put new nuts on them, so that's not a problem.
Alright.
So I'll just get it vapor blast, and then those I've got a set of those that have already been plated, if you remember rightly. Bear with. Keep filming.
Got to go find something now.
Keep filming. I know exactly where it is.
Oh, I'll have a chocolate. Oh. Oh, was that the same thing? Well, there you go.
So that's why I was playing, because I knew I'd got the ends already plated.
I see.
But it's just this end. It's just this bolt bit really. That's actually moulded into that aluminium. Because we tried, Steve and I tried. Well, I tried to get it out. I thought it must be twisted into it, but it's not. It's manufactured into it, so you can't get it out. So should we really have sent this off with them to get that plated? Lack of experience, you see. Lack of experience.
Oh, I always thought you was quite experienced.
No. Very regal though.
Right, thanks for watching this week.
Thanks,
I suppose
everybody.
you better do your
Yes.
thing that you like doing.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and a comment would be fantastic. Thank you so much. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Oh no!
What's happened? You're on fire! Oh my bloody god! Oh no, you took it out of the camera now.
Slight issue. Look, what do you think the problem is there?
I think you got a hole in your doobie.
Dog's trying to drink it.